Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are gonna do a good old gratis haul. Yes, it is time. It is finally time to do another gratis haul, and I'm so excited for this one because it has been like an accumulation of items that I've been getting these last 2 to 3 months. I'm ready to get right into it. I'm excited. Are you excited? Are you excited? Are you excited? I don't even know where to start. This one is like a big one. I'm so pumped. Let's get into it, shall we? Let's do it. Let's do it. First item in our gratis haul bag is the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in my color. Yes, thank you. Last time I got this foundation in my gratis, it was my manager shade, and I think there was like confusion. I got this foundation in like a light 4, which is like super fair, but now I get to try it in my color. I feel like I really like the coverage in this. I like the formulation, but honestly, I'm still like hands down a sheer glow girl till the day that I die. But I am so happy that I have this in my color now and that I can try it on, especially during this spring. This is gonna stay on my vanity. Next foundation, I have Dior Forever Foundation, and this is the old version of the Forever Foundation. They just launched a new version of the Forever Foundation in a matte formula, which this used to be, and a glow formula, which I did film a video for. If you want to see what that's all about, I'll link that up here down below. I'll link it everywhere so you can, check that out. Nars Foundation All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. So this one I'm a little hesitant about just because it's a water-based foundation that's good for combo oily skin, and this is just like the Fenty Pro Filter foundation, and by that I mean that it has that dry down time. So after like a minute or two, it's gonna dry down and it's going to self-set, you can say. And for a dry skin person like myself, like I'm gonna probably have to like mix it with an oil or like prime with an oil to counteract just how matte this is gonna look on my skin. So we'll see, but this is amazing for combo oily skin. I'm gonna line up my foundations. I love foundations. Cool. And then I got another Dior Forever foundation, and this is the old formula as well. This is the shade 021, and I also got the shade 030. And I think this happened because my store manager, her name is Jax, she's really cool. She asked me like, oh, what shade are you in the Dior Forever foundation? And I was like, I don't remember. I think I'm a 21 or a 30. Honestly, I think I'm gonna be closer to a 21 because it has more ivory in it, but she hooked it up. She's so cool. I like her. And then going along with our Dior products, I have a Dior foundation powder in the shade 070, which is way too dark for me. But honestly, this is something that I could very easily contour or bronze with. Dior makes amazing complexion products. I love this. And we got some good old Glamglow, girl. I have never tried a Glamglow product. The first Glamglow product that I received in my gratis was the glitter mask. And after the glitter mask, I feel like Glamglow lost all of my respect because they put real plastic stars in the mask that's supposed to nourish your skin, and something like that, putting that much plastic, I mean, it's cute and whatever, but putting that much plastic in a mask that's supposed to be good for your skin is going to actually tear the skin like this, like. So it's like, I'm not gonna put that glitter mask on my face. It was trending on Twitter, on Instagram for like a month. Everyone was rocking the Glamglow glitter mask, but after that one, I was like, yo, I don't think I can trust you guys. I'm not gonna put that on my face. But now I have the Glamglow ThirstyMud Hydrating Treatment, and this guy is $60. It's like $60, $65. It's like high-end masking products, and they have a really great reputation, especially on social media. I think the Glamglow rep is also our Smashbox rep, and I had a conversation with her, and she decided to give me the ThirstyMud mask because I'm dry skin, and I want to give this the benefit of the doubt. I have not tried any of their original masks, which are like cult favorites. So let's give Glamglow ThirstyMud Mask Treatment a try. And then hopefully I can incorporate this in my empties video that I'm probably going to be filming in like 2 months or so to see if I liked it. So I'll let you guys know, okay? And check this out. Oh my god, everything's like oily. Why is everything oily? I think something spilled in my bag. But anyways, I got the new Milk Makeup Watermelon Mask Treatment. And this one is really cool. It's actually a pink mask and it comes in the original Milk Makeup packaging, which you can very easily roll up just like this. And what's cool with this one is that you can literally just apply it like this. And this is what the mask looks like. And it's really cooling on my hand. That's awesome. I really like the cooling sensation. So this is a watermelon brightening face mask. I think they have a toner version of this. Yeah, I think it's a toner, and they just came out with the mask version of the watermelon toner. And there's also a green tea face mask, I believe it is. There's a green one and then there's this one. And I got this one because your girl needs some hydration. You know, I need all the hydration that I can get, especially in a Seattle winter. Like, you guys don't even know. It's like serious. Cool, moving right along. Since our Glamglow / Smashbox rep was in the store the other day, she also left me a liquid lipstick by Smashbox. This is the shade Stay Neutral, and I think this is gonna look really good on my skin tone. Yeah, check that out. I think she gave me the perfect nude shade from the Smashbox collection, so I'm so thankful and grateful to her. Yes, girl! Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance for Nars. Girl, I haven't had a Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in my shade in like 6 months, okay? Let me tell you what I'm rocking with right now. So right now I am rocking with vanilla, which is what I use to prime my eyelids, and sometimes I like to use this concealer to brighten the very inner corner of my under eye. But yeah, that's really all I use my vanilla color for. And now I was so lucky and blessed to have received my shade, which is Custard. Let me show you a comparison between Custard and what I was using before, okay? So this is it. This is what it looks like. It's definitely a really big difference. Maybe I can block some lighting, but I hope that you can see just how big the difference is between the two colors. Oh, we got some Milk Makeup Longwear Gel Eyeliner. I've never tried any Milk Makeup eyeliners. It comes with a smudging side, and then I got the shade Boss. Boss swatches out like this, and would you look at that? She's creamy. She's really creamy. I like this. It's like a really nice, rich, intense color. It reminds me of the Marc Jacobs gel eyeliner in just how creamy it is in comparison to that. So we are gonna move on to some Urban Decay brow products, and I have been waiting and waiting. This is Urban Decay's new eyebrow launch. Yes, they are stepping up their eyebrow game, and this one is the one that I'm most peculiar about. This is the brow blade, and I got the shade Dark Drapes, and it's really cool because it comes with a fine point, just like that. It has an automatic fine point pencil, which you can very easily fill in the sparse areas of your eyebrows. You can create an arch, you can extend the tail of your eyebrow. But this is where it gets interesting. On the other side, it comes with a liquid eyebrow side. It comes with a waterproof ink eyebrow liner, you can call it. I don't know what to call it really, but what's cool is that with something like this, you can create a microbladed effect on your eyebrows and just have it be super duper waterproof once it dries down. And I love that concept. The microbladed side looks like this, so you can like just, I can't even see what I'm doing, but I just kind of want to show you guys that it's just a really great eyebrow tool. If you want to create a very defined eyebrow or to create very realistic hair-like strokes, just like that new microblading technique that's really popular right now. And I also got the Urban Decay Brow Finish Gel. Yes, this is a gel, and I got the shade Ozone. Oh, so this is actually just the clear brow gel. It's just clear, and The brush is actually pretty nice, and I think there's another one that has like a lot of glitter in it. Like I really want to try that one. Anyways, I got the Nars Contour Duo. This is their highlighting powder and this is their contour powder. I think I would be able to rock this in the winter time, like when I'm very, very fair. But this is a really good formula. I really like it. And I also got Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Custard. And this one is amazing for color correcting dark spots, sunspots. It's great for combo oily skin. It has a lot of pigment in this. So if like I barely touch it and swatch it, I don't know if it's very noticeable through the camera with these bright lights here, but it has a pretty good amount of coverage and it's not like super dewy. It's not going to be so matte that it dries you out. It's just that perfect balance between soft matte but not too dewy. It's just, it's a great, amazing concealer. This is probably what I'm going to use as a face concealer, and I'm probably going to use my Radiant Creamy for mostly my under eyes. And I also got a Nars liquid lipstick, and I love Nars liquid lipsticks. These are my jam whenever someone comes into the store and they're like, I'm looking for a liquid lipstick, and I'm just like, oh girl, you gotta try this formulation because you're not gonna feel like you're wearing any lipstick, and it's gonna stay on all day and you're just gonna love it. It's gonna be your new best friend. So the shade that I got is Under My Thumb, and it looks like it's kind of a fuchsia color. So check out that pigment. It's just so effortless. It's so lightweight. It's just an amazing formula. All right, so we only got a few products left now. Let's try to get through these fairly quickly. So I got Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Gilded. This is a stunning gold lip gloss, and this is gonna look so bomb during the summertime when I'm really rocking that bronzy, super dewy look and I wear this on my lips. It's gonna be a real look. So let's swatch it out, and this is what our beautiful Anastasia lip gloss looks like in the shade Gilded. Cool. And then I have a Shiseido Kajal Ink Artist eyeliner. Oh yeah, this is one of their whole eyeliners. Shiseido just relaunched, remade their whole cosmetic line, and let me tell you, it is poppin'. It is like modern Tokyo, like what I would imagine Japan would be like now during the modern times. That's what their new makeup line looks like. So it's really cool. I'm into it. So this is the kohl eyeliner. It comes with a smudger and a sharpener on the other side, and it's really pigmented. I've already swatched this. As you can see, it's like ultra creamy, very effortless, which I'm really into. I like effortless. I don't like to make my life too hard, if you know what I mean. Great, so I got another can of Memory Mist by Ouai. And I have used this product before. I love it so much. It makes my hair smell so good. And with something like this, it's going to protect your hair from heating tools. I think it's up to 450 degrees. And you spray a strand of hair before you before you curl it. And then once you drop the hair, because it's a memory mist, it's going to help your hair retain that texture, that curl, not just on that same day, but like the day after and the day after that, so you can have like those beachy waves for the longest amount of time. So this is a very versatile product. It's so efficient when it comes to hair, and like I said before in this video, I like efficiency. I like to make my life easier. So this is one of the products that I love for hair and that I keep in my vanity always, all the time. And last but very not least, I have a Kat Von D Beauty 2019 birthday gift. Let's celebrate. Oh, this is so cute. This is their senior makeup artist. I forgot what her name is, but I follow her on Instagram. She's amazing. And this is something that all Sephora Color Cast members must have received in their gratis, because we all get the same thing when it comes from the company, like this. So as you can see here, it says Sephora Color Cast 2019. So inside we have one of my favorite setting powders of all time. This is a Kat Von D Locket setting powder, and this is an amazing setting powder, especially for normal dry skin, because this powder is like ultra fine and it's not matte, so it's not going to make a dry skin person like myself even drier. You know, it's not gonna mattify my already dry skin. So I love this. I finished my whole powder a couple of years ago, and then now I have another one. This also has reflective specks in the actual powder, so you can really see it when you shine it under the light like this. And those reflective specks helped to bounce the light back and just kind of accentuate the illumination around the eyes, you know. Also, we got Lovecraft. I got a little mini of the Lovecraft lipstick. Gosh, that's so hard to pronounce. And Lovecraft has a purplish pinkish tone. It's a really great everyday color, and this is something that I would rock during the daytime. And you cannot forget about the classic Kat Von D tattoo liner. This is an oldie but a goodie. I really like this eyeliner. I think this would be like my morning eyeliner because it's not as pigmented as my Stila liquid eyeliner or as long lasting. I feel like the Stila liquid eyeliner is a little bit more pigmented than the Kat Von D tattoo liner, but still, this is gonna be my daytime eyeliner because I like to look a little more natural during the daytime, and this is gonna be a good one. And that does it for this video, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video and found some value from it, please don't forget to drop me a like, and also don't forget to subscribe for new videos every single week. Like always, I want to thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.